All right, a beautiful day out here today. Working on the 2008 Ford F-150 here. We're going to change the signal light here. Burned out on us last night. We're going to use a Sylvania 4057 long life bulb. Bump it a little bit there, pull it straight out. Been in there for a while. There we go. Hold on to that. Is it broken? Nope. Pull it straight back. Can't see anything with the glare from the sun there. All right. Try not to touch that with your hand if possible. Get the oils from your skin on that. Alright. Test it. Yep, I'll get in there and test it. Alright, so we tested it. Everything works. We're going to go ahead and replace that tail light. It's pretty simple. There we go. All right. Thanks for watching.